Although books have been around for nearly 3,000 years, they were rare and hard to manufacture until Gutenberg invented the printing press in the 15th century. Text and illustrations were done by hand in a time-consuming process, and only the wealthy could afford them. But within a few decades, Gutenberg's innovation spread, which allowed literacy to flourish. Today, the advantages of print, such as scalability, lower cost, simplicity, and speed, can also be used in the production of advanced electronics. This sector faces a strong trend to produce high-tech devices using cost-effective and scalable methods. Xtpl developed the unique technology of ultra-precise printing to enable that advance.
The same way we inexpensively and easily print books and newspapers today, we will be able to print solar cells, displays, or even processors in the future. However, to use the process of printing in production of this type of advanced equipment, it has to be very precise. Our pioneering method meets this need.
Thanks to the Xtpl's technology, ultra-thin structures increase optical transparency and enable better solar energy absorption while increasing solar cells' efficiency at the same time. They conduct electricity well and are elastic, which will make future displays consume less energy and be flexible.
Xtpl additive manufacturing printing method allows for obtaining ultra-fine structures with a width going down to a range of 1 to 8 microns. Parameters and features of individual structures created with this method, as well as the distance between them, depend on the specific application requirements. What makes Xtpl solution unique is the unparalleled precision, ultimate simplicity, speed, and versatility. This disruptive solution works on most substrates, conductive and non-conductive, as well as flat and 2.5D, such as glass, silicon wafers, Kapton, PEN, PC, PDMS, and PET. It can provide straight lines, as well as patterns and microdots. Our method allows for printing a large variety of available materials: conductive inks, nanoparticle-based suspensions, semiconductor-based suspensions, insulating inks, resists, solvent-based inks, and biological materials. In order to achieve outstanding results at Xtpl, we create our own nano ink formulas based mostly on metallic nanoparticles, mostly silver, gold, and copper, as well as semiconductors, in example TiO2. There is no electric field required for printing, which fully eliminates the risk of damage to the substrate and other electrically active components. Xtpl empowers the global flat panel display manufacturers by providing a breakthrough technology to be implemented on their production lines. Our value proposition includes feature size reduction, 1 to 8 microns, key factor for manufacturers of new class electronics, where miniaturization issues are of key importance. Industrial yield improvement at the advanced manufacturing lines. Mechanical flexibility, enabling scalable production of new generation revolutionary solutions. Organic materials, quantum dots, and color filter deposition. And ultimate versatility. The apparatus, the ink, and the unique Xtpl method itself are all protected by international patent applications.
As we demonstrate how powerful our technology is, I believe that we will get there. I'm very confident. Customers are very smart and they're very demanding. They want to see validation of the technology, they want to see sustainability, they want to see repeatability. They picked us because they think we have something very unique.
I'm really proud of the Xtpl team.
Such a complicated project requires an interdisciplinary experience. Among our team members, we have physicists, chemists, programmers, electrical engineers, specialists in material science and in numerical simulation, all of whom have worldwide experience in their fields. Being a part of a company like Xtpl is a reason to be proud. It makes you feel that you are creating something that will soon contribute in a global technological revolution and, in fact, change the rules of the game.